Alright, what up? A lot of people always saying Unstoppable, we always see you go live and we see your studio setup, but we never actually see the full setup, and it looks good from what we could see. So somebody DM me, big up to this person that DM me and asked Unstoppable, can we see your studio setup? Alright, so because of you I decided I would do a little short video and just show what my studio setup looks like. It's nothing fancy, nothing exotic, nothing over the top, but it's just my setup. Alright, so if you don't like it, talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know what you like about it, and also me can take criticism. Tell me what you don't like about the studio setup as well. Alright, I know some people might say them not like the lighting, so you can leave out the lighting outside, because I already know so enough I'm not gonna like the red light when I have, but the lighting doesn't stay on. I don't have this lighting on while I'm actually live. This is just so I can set my little aroma when me in the mood and chilling, and you see, yeah. So check out the studio setup. Tell me what you think. Alright, bless up.